So we're coming up to springtime and your gutters are going to be filled with pollen. I highly recommend you get up on your roof. If you're not able to, hire a professional and get those gutters cleaned out so that way you have no issues with water during the rainy season when summer comes. So let me flip this around and show you how backed up these gutters are. And then you can see just the type of trees that are overhanging. They're not even really overhanging the roof, they're just nearby. And it's just, they get clogged up and filled. Until next time, stay handy, my friends. I'll see you in the next one.